What's the future? It's the question I wake up to every single day. Where are we going? What is the future? The future is the only thing that we can change. We can't change yesterday or today. We can change the future. Very honoured to get a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Payments Association at the Pay360 Awards.
David O'Neill, and I'm here today representing IFX Payments. Our payment solution is very, very user-friendly, very easy to navigate, very robust, and really makes the client journey simple and more efficient. We have a lot of very experienced personnel at IFX Payments, so we can add on comfort to our clients that if they want to talk about the markets, talk about any issues, we're there as well to talk to them. One of the major themes as we go for the year ahead is positioning ourselves, all payment service providers, to deal with more regulation coming in to combat fraud, etc. So that if you look around the exhibition today, there's lots of businesses displaying their services in terms of compliance, onboarding services, and that's probably the biggest theme for the year ahead. It's about payment services firms being very robust, very solid, and able to offer that security to clients that their KYC and their onboarding is very secure.
But I'm seeing that a big topic has been identity and digital identity and how that's managed. There's a great session with Lloyds, NatWest and OneID talking about how that can be resolved. And then also, especially around the digital identity, the consumer still has some concerns around leveraging their privacy, which is interesting when you consider the fact that most people have some sort of social media engagement. So they're quite happy to scroll, click, show big tech the things they like and have data pulled on them, but are concerned about a national identity card. So I'll be curious to see how that changes in the next 12 months.
My name is Mustafa Belabes. I have worked many years in cybersecurity. I'm working with Bfore.AI as a pre-sales engineer. Bfore.AI is a cybersecurity company. We provide predictive cybersecurity for large companies, but also for middle and average companies. We predict future cyber attacks based on domains. We are using AI in cybersecurity. We are few companies using AI in cybersecurity in the cybersecurity market. We do it very fast. We identify threats very fast before that the cyber criminal decide to cyber attack the companies. And this is one of the valuable things that we can bring to our customers.
I work in NatWest Group's open banking team as a product owner for digital identity. In my particular world, I'm very focused on digital identity, so I do hope to see that in the next couple of years, digital identity will continue to be something that's talked about, but also something that's delivered into the UK market.
And today I am launching, as a soft launch, my newest book, Intelligent Money, where money integrated with AI and digital currencies is embedded, invisible, intelligent and everywhere, which is the strapline of the book. The other strapline is where we don't need to think about money because money thinks for us. which would be a wonderful world. I'm also on the executive board of 11FS and WP Communications, as well as Web Account Plus and others. You can find out everything about me at thefinancer.com, where I blog every single day, because to be a bank, you have to have a license. Otherwise, it's the Wild West. But the other is that it's quite clear everything is moving to become embedded, invisible, intelligent, and everywhere. And it's a whole new world. Secondly, that we have a brand new financial market based upon open networks, cloud, AI, and mobile and digital currencies. And that's another whole new financial world. So what will that world look like? And that's answered in my new book. And in fact, there's other questions that I ask in the book, like, could you create a financial system that's outside the banking system? Could you actually just run the banking system as a pure network of the people? So for the financial industry, the payments industry, for the banking industry, people like Bill Gates, who said in 1996, going back a while, well, you need banking, but we don't need banks, are very naive.